Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little different. Imagine this, you just say, "Hey CC, replace the background of my picture," and within seconds it's going to be done. No sliders, no layers, no headaches. Just talk and it happens. That's the power of Fotor AI agent, a tool that's not just another photo editor but a complete rethink of how we interact with images. You tell it what you want and it delivers clean, precise, and stylish. This isn't just filters or quick tweets, it's about commanding your photos the way you would talk to a friend. So now let's jump into the dashboard of Fotor AI. And my favorite part is the text and voice input. So now let's talk about the features of CC. All you have to do is upload a photo and describe your edit or describe what you want to generate. So these are the things you could be doing. So let me show you an example. So first let me show you a background replacement. So let me take a photo. Okay, I have uploaded this image over here and this is the prompt. Remove the background and replace it with a beach sunset. So let's have a look. So as you can see, the background has changed. So this is perfect for e-commerce sellers, marketers, or anyone who wants pro-level images instantly. So if you want yourself in maybe New York, Los Angeles, or maybe a beach, a product on the pastel background, just type or say it and boom, it's done, crisp, professional, and effortless. So like this, you could be doing the background replacement, and also you could be making a lot of targeted edits that you want. So if you need a new shirt color, or if you want to swap denim for leather, or try a brand new hairstyle, just describe it and the AI changes only that detail without touching the rest of the photo. It's like having a personal stylish on demand. Now let's say if you want a one-click object removal. So we have all had that perfect shot ruined by a random stranger or something awkward in the frame. With Fotor AI, you just highlight it or type what you want and it's erased seamlessly and no traces or no mess. In case if you want your picture in Studio Ghibli style or anime mode or maybe a 3D cartoon vibe, just say the word and your photo transform while keeping facial expression and poses intact. Imagine taking a normal photo of yourself but transforming you into a cartoon while the background stays real. The blend looks so striking you will want to share it instantly. Now to be honest, it's not perfect. Sometimes you might need to rephrase your prompt or try a variation, but the AI is constantly learning and getting sharper every week. So whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves great photos without the hassle, the Fotor AI agent is worth trying. Best part, you can start for free with a limited number of edits. Thank you so much for watching and drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts and I'll see you on the next one.